Welcome to Maths class, children. In the previous class, we have started with our new chapter, no? That is numbers up to 1000. Yes, and we have completed. We have started with our new exercise also, 2.1. Yes, exercise 2.1 also we have started. Yes, and in that one bit of two number grids also we have completed. Two number grids also we have completed. Okay, so today we are going to deal with the page number 77. Okay, today we are going to deal with the page number 77. So to do today's work, you need your term book, pencil and eraser. Okay, children. So this is first I'll tell you the number grid here. Yes, so the number grid here first you have is of 500 and 501. So the series of the numbers here 500 and the next is 900. Okay, so this 500 is there, no? This 500 and 501 grid. So here the common number is 50 they are taking. Okay, and continue with the 1 to 9 numbers again. Okay, so this one you take as homework. Okay, why? Because the same pattern of numbers you have completed in your previous class also. So you complete this one as your homework. So today's your homework will be page number 77 with the number grid. 500 number grid you have to do. Number grid you have to complete. Okay, children? Okay, and after that 500 numbers also, you have one more grid, you know. See, I will explain. See, here you have 970. Okay, so here you have 970. So this 970, in 970, what will be the common number? I said no already, if you have 3 digits, you have to take 2 digits as your common number. Okay, so this 97. This homework you can, I will write it later, children, in the last again. Okay. Okay, so here in 970, 97 will become the common number. Then you have to follow it 1 to 9 numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so as I said, the till 9th place you will have the same. In the 10th place, the numbers will be changing. Okay, so in the 10th place, how the numbers will change? See, each and every number will change. See, here the common number is 97, no? See, in your numbers, after 97, what will be the next number? It is 98. Okay, so here 98 you will get, and the 10th place number, the 9th place number you got 9, no? After 9, what you will get? You will get 10. But if you write two digits here, 10, it will become into 4 digits. Okay, the number of digits is all you have of 3 digits only. It is 3-digit number. Okay, so this 1 you have to not take, and 0 you have to take, and you have to write here. So here 980. So the common number here you have to take it as 98. Okay, children. Here 98 will become your common number. Okay, till 9th place you will have the same, and you will have to follow with 1 to 9 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Till 9th place same. Then again you have to go with the next number. 98 after with what you will get? 99. So your next number will be 99. Okay. Then after 9, what you will get? Again 10 you will get, but 10 you should not take, you have to take 0. Okay, so 0 here. Yes, so this 99 you take as the common number, 99. Then 0 after 1 to 9 numbers. 99 you take the common. 1 to 9 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. See, till 999 you have the grade. Yes, so after this only you are going to have, till here you will have 3 digits. Till here you have 3 digits. Okay. After this number you are going to start with the 4 digits. How? See, 99. So in your 1 to 100 numbers, after 97, 98, 99, after 99 what you will have? 100. Okay. After 99 you will have 100. Okay. So you have to take your next number. After 99 you will have 100. Okay. After this 9 to place, you will have the number 10, but you should not take 10, you should take 0. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many digits? 4 digits. So from here, so we will read this number as 1000. Okay? We will read this number as 1000. So it is a 4-digit number. So 4-digit number is starting from 1000. Understood, children? In the previous class I said I have explained what is 1 digit, what is 2 digit, what is 3 digit also. Here also I am explaining 3 digit number. See, if you have 3 numbers in the number set, so it becomes 3 digits. So after this 999, I said you in the first class from where the 4 digit will start. So here after 999, the 4th digit, the 4 digits are starting from 1000. Okay, this is about your number grid. Yes, so I hope you have understood about this 3 digit and 4 digit and you have copied these numbers. No, you can copy these numbers still in your term book. Okay, and I have explained you homework also. The above number grid is for homework. Okay, now we will move on to the next second bit and third bit. Okay, children. Yes. So here you have the second bit. What you have to do here? You can check in your term book. Write the number of hundreds, tens and ones in the given number. So here they have asking you to write how many hundreds are there, how many tens are there and how many ones are there. Okay. What is your first question? 354. Okay. In this they are asking how many hundreds are there. Yes. How many tens are there and how many ones are there. Okay. So how to write? So before you write the answers, first you should know the places of these numbers. Then you can write the numbers very easily. Okay. If you know the places of the numbers, see, if you have the places, you will start with ones, tens and hundreds. So here you have only 3 digits. So I am explaining till only 3 digits. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds are the 3 places. How you are in your term book, in the same way you will have here also. If you write on the top of the number, it makes you to write the answer very easily. Okay, you can also write in your term book with a very small letters. In small alphabets, small letter you can write on the top of the number. How you will write? First number as ones, next number tens, next number hundreds. Now we will write the answer. See how many hundreds we have. 100 place how many? What is the number? 3. So we have 3 hundreds here. Tens. How many tens? We have 5 here. So 5 tens. Ones how many? 4 we have here. So it is 4 ones. Understood? In this first question we have 3 hundreds, 5 tens and 4 ones. Next you have 800. So for each and every number, if you write places on the top, it makes you to write the answer easily. Now how many hundreds tell me? In 100 place what is the number? 8. So how many hundreds you have here? 8. How many hundreds? You have here 8 hundreds. Tens. How many tens? See here you have 0. So you have to write 0 only, 0 tens. Here how many ones you have? 0 ones. So you write 0 only in the ones place. Understood about this, children? So whatever number you have in that particular place, you have to write in that place. Okay? See here, 916 is the number. Okay? 916. So write places on the top, hundreds, tens, ones. Okay? So how many hundreds are there? It is very easy, children. You can check the place and you can write the number. Tens how many? 1. Ones how many? 6. Okay? In the same way, next one also. What is the next one? It is 506. Write places on the top. You also have to write places on the top of your numbers in your term book. It makes your problem easy. Okay. So if you learn these places helps you to solve more other problems also in the future classes. Okay. Now how many hundreds? How many tens? And how many ones? Hundreds 5, tens 0, ones 6. You can check in your term book also. In the question you have. So, how many 770? First you write how many ones, tens, hundreds. Okay? And you can look into your question and you can write. See how many hundreds you have? 7. So, write 700. How many tens you have? Means in the tens place what is the number? 7. So, 7 tens. Ones place how many numbers? 0. So, we will write 0 only. Okay, I hope every one of you have understood this second bit. Okay, if you have understood, if you have copied this one, we will move to the third one. I hope you have completed, children. Yes, now we will move on to the third bit. The third bit, already this type of problem we have completed in your previous class. Yes, but this is little changed, but same like that only. See here, they are asking you to write, count hundreds and write. Means in the previous class, see from 100 they have given and they are asking you to write 8 places. 8 places they are asking you to write. Okay? How to write? See, listen. In the previous class we have done with the 5 counting, no? 5 counting we have counted in the fingers and the fifth number we have written, no? So this is also like that only, but here the counting is for hundreds. Can we do it in fingers? Can we count 100 numbers in fingers, children? No, it is not possible. So here we will use the method of addition. Okay, we will use the method of addition. Then we can fill with this blanks. Okay, so 100 they are saying how many numbers to count? 100. So you have to take the help of the number which is given in the question first. See here you have 100, no? For this 100, you have to count again 100 in the question. So add 100 to this. Okay, it is very easy, children. 0 plus 0, 0 only. 0 plus 0, again 0. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, again 2. So what will be in the next blank? It is 200. Okay, now this 200 again 100 you have to count. Okay, 200. What you have to do? You have to do addition. Remember addition. If the number is big, you can do with addition. If it is smaller, you can do it in your fingers itself. Or addition. There also you can do with the addition. No problem. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. So your next blank will be with 300. So now like this only you have to go on adding 100 to the last number. So again here add 300 plus 100. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 1, it is 4. Only 1 we are adding, no? The next number only will come here. So 3 plus 1 it is 4. Okay. So what is the number? 400. Now till this 400, again you add 100. 0 plus 0, it is 0. 0 plus 0, again 0. 4 plus 1, what will be the next number? Yes, 5. So that will be the addition of 1 to that. So what is the number? It is 500. Yes. Now the remaining 4 blanks in the same way. Again take 500 plus 100. Yes. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 1, 6. So it is 600. Yes. Next we have 3 more times. Okay children. The last number 600. Add with 100. Only we are doing only in the 100 place the number is changing children. The other place only the same zeros we are getting. Okay. Again to this 700, add 100. Yes. Yes. So here we got 800. No. Again to this 800 you have to add one more 100. 800 plus 100. Yes. Again 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay children. So how much you got now? 900. Yes. See if you observe, see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All these numbers from 100 to 900, here you have only 3 digits. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 digits. Just now in the previous class I said 4 digits will start from 1000. Okay. So till here 900 we have added 100 and we have filled all these countings. Okay children. I hope every one of you have understood. Yes, and your homework I have said in the starting only. So homework will be in the page 77. 500 number grid is there, no children. So that one you have to complete in your term. Okay. Copy down this all the numbers in the class term book itself and you do this 77 500 number grid as homework. Okay. I hope every one of you have understood. I will meet you in the next class with the next video.